Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how you can enable Incognito mode in the 4 most popular web browsers on your OnePlus 11. So we start from the Firefox. In the Firefox, if you have this welcoming screen, just click here on the zero mask and that's it. But if you have any tab opened, just click on the taskbar icon, go to the zero mask and add a tab. Now the Microsoft Edge, like before, click on the taskbar icon, choose any private and add a tab. The next one is Opera, like before, the same way, just open the taskbar icon, switch to the private, add a tab. And the last one, Google Chrome, click here on this arrow icon or 3-dot icon and choose new Incognito tab. And now all of your completed forms, the words from the keyboard and just history and cache files will be not saved in this mode. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.